Hi guys, Lewis here. Today I'm going to show you how to build a profitable business by reselling AI tools. If you've ever wondered how to white label AI software and sell it as your own, you're in the right place. I'll walk you through the exact software that allows you to do this. But before we dive into the video, I have a special offer for you. Normally, if you go through GoHighLevel's website, you get a 14-day free trial. However, with my link, you'll receive a 30-day free trial, and on top of that, as a big thank you, I'm also giving you access to my full course, GoHighLevel Jumpstart, which walks you through setting up and launching your business within those first 30 days. GoHighLevel offers many features and it's easy to get lost. In my course, I highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you start making money using GoHighLevel in those initial 30 days. Additionally, you'll receive my top-notch high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. They're worth $900 plus, but you'll get all of that for free as a thank you for using my affiliate link in the description. Simply click the first link to find all the details about those offers and how to claim them. It's my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel. Now, let's dive in. So, let's talk about AI reselling. It's pretty simple. Reselling is when you take a ready-made AI software and present it as your own. This is called white labeling. It lets you offer smart, efficient tools under your own brand to clients who need them. First off, think of it like renting a fully furnished apartment and presenting it as yours to guests. Everything is already set up. You just add your personal touch. In the same way, you take a platform packed with AI-powered features, customize it with your branding, and offer it to businesses. When we talk about reselling, it's not just about one tool. You get access to a variety of features like automating customer messages or creating content that matches a brand's style. Furthermore, it's a great way to make extra money. You can earn through one-time fees, recurring subscriptions, or by offering custom integration services that fit each client's needs. Now that we know what reselling is all about, let's talk about white label solutions. A white label product is something that's already built, but you can rebrand it and sell it as your own. The technology and updates are handled by the original creator, so you don't have to worry about that part. Instead, you can focus on things like branding, helping your customers, and growing your business. For example, think about having an online platform that sends automated emails and even uses AI to create personalized responses. With a white label solution, this technology is ready for you. Just add your logo, adjust the look to match your style, and offer it to your clients as if it's your own unique service. Now, let's talk about the platform that makes this all happen. GoHighLevel. It's an all-in-one CRM with smart AI tools that's great for reselling. It's simple to use and has a clean, easy to navigate design which makes it perfect even if you're new to this. On top of that, the AI features on GoHighLevel help businesses automate their sales, keep track of customer interactions, and create customized marketing campaigns. The best part is you can brand all these features as your own services. Now, one of the coolest updates in GoHighLevel is the AI employee feature. It's built to automate all kinds of business tasks, so companies can use advanced AI without needing to hire extra staff. For example, think about a business that struggles with customer service. With AI employee, they can handle calls, send emails, update contacts, and follow up with leads completely on autopilot. This saves time, cuts down on manual work, and makes everything run smoother. For example, let's talk about using voice AI for a local real estate agency. It can answer customer questions, send follow-up texts, and even book appointments, all without needing a person to do it. Businesses love this kind of automation and are happy to pay big for it. You could easily charge between $2,000 to $3,000 for a one-time setup, or even offer a subscription model for ongoing support. GoHighLevel's AI tools give you massive opportunities to grow. As an AI reseller, there are a bunch of tools and features you can offer to clients through white label solutions. One of the most popular AI tools right now is Reviews AI. Businesses get tons of customer feedback, but replying manually to reviews takes forever. Reviews AI instantly creates responses based on what the customer is feeling. This helps businesses keep a strong online reputation without needing to hire extra staff. Now think about branding it as RepuBot and offering it to local restaurants or service-based businesses for $99 a month. A single business would find that price worth it for automated review management. And if you bring in just 50 clients, you're looking at almost $5,000 in recurring monthly income. Then there's Content AI. It's a tool that takes care of content creation for social media, blogs, and ads. Businesses often struggle to keep up with the constant need for fresh content, but this tool solves that problem. It can write high-quality text and even create AI-generated images customized for different industries. Let's say you rename it Content Flow AI and focus on selling it to digital agencies. If an agency spends $100 a month on AI-powered content and you get 20 agencies to sign up, That's $2,000 in steady monthly revenue. Plus, the conversation AI is a big deal. It helps businesses manage messages on SMS, Facebook, Instagram, and WhatsApp using chatbots. Many businesses lose customers because they can't reply fast enough. But with a chatbot that's ready to respond 24/7, it's easier to turn leads into sales without extra work. If you call it Chat Pro AI and offer it to an e-commerce business for $149 a month, it's a great deal. Onboarding just 30 clients means you're making over $4,000 every month. Additionally, Funnel AI makes things simple by creating personalized sales funnels automatically. It designs the funnels with custom text and images, so there's no need to hire expensive designers. Businesses can use AI to build professional funnels quickly and easily. Even better, you can brand it as Auto Funnels Pro and offer it to coaches, consultants, and real estate agents who need funnels for lead generation. If you charge $500 per client, just 10 clients will bring in $5,000. It's a straightforward way to help others while boosting your own income. Finally, Workflow AI automatically takes care of marketing tasks, so everything runs smoothly. Many businesses find it hard to handle email campaigns, follow-ups, and keeping leads interested. This tool does all of that for you without any extra effort. If you rename it as SmartFlow AI and offer it as a $199 per month package for complete AI automation, it could be a great deal. With just 25 clients, you'd bring in almost $5,000 every month in steady income. And the best part is, you don't need to build these tools yourself. GoHighLevel gives you everything, and you just rebrand them and sell them as your own. Since these tools run on automation, your main costs are the GoHighLevel subscription and some marketing. The rest is mostly profit. For example, let's say you sell an AI marketing package with Content AI, Conversation AI, and Funnel AI for $499 per month per business. With just 20 businesses signed up, you're making $9,980 per month. And with 100 businesses, that jumps to almost $50,000 a month, all from tools you didn't even have to create. This isn't just theory. A lot of agencies are already making six-figure incomes using GoHighLevel's white label AI tools. It's proof that it actually works. If you focus on industries that need automation and find your spot in the market, you can build a business that makes good money. It's scalable, doesn't need much overhead, and brings in steady, recurring revenue. Another great way to resell AI tools is by using GoHighLevel's app marketplace. It's a platform where you can add AI-powered apps to your account and sell them to businesses. For example, you can offer a website AI builder that creates custom websites instantly. Instead of hiring developers, businesses can use this tool to get a website in seconds. You can charge them anywhere from $99 to $299 a month to keep the site running. Another thing to mention is that the app marketplace has other useful tools. There's an AI booking chatbot that schedules appointments automatically. It also offers WhatsApp integration to help businesses manage customer chats more easily. Plus, there's AI-driven lead forms which make it simple to collect and organize leads with automation. By using marketplace apps, you can offer solutions for different industries. It could be for real estate, fitness, medical practices, or even e-commerce. And the best part is, these apps make it easier to meet the specific needs of each industry while keeping things simple and effective. All right, so that's it for today, guys. I hope this video helped you understand how you can use GoHighLevel's white label AI tools to build a profitable business. If you want to resell these tools, click the link in the description. And if you use my affiliate link, you'll get a 30-day free trial instead of the usual 14 days. Plus, you'll gain free access to my GoHighLevel Jumpstart course, where I'll walk you through everything you need to know to set up and launch your business successfully within those 30 days. On top of that, you'll receive over $900 worth of premium Notion templates, all for free. Just click the link below to get started and claim your bonuses.